If microneedling intimidates you, I've got something that might just help. This is the Aruna Hyaluronic Acid MTS kit, and it's got everything you need to be able to microneedle right at home. So you use this once a week for 5 weeks. This comes with 2 little vials. One is the hyaluronic acid, and the other is a core cell. I looked everywhere online when I first got this kit, and I could not find, do you do it separate? Do you do it together? How does that work? So I just did it together the first time I used it, and it worked out well. I loved it so much that I bought it again, and it's not cheap. Besides your kit, you're going to need something to mix it in, and I always like to use a brush. It's just a fan brush. I get these in bulk on Amazon. Obviously, before you start, you want to wash your face. I've already done that. I'm going to start with the hyaluronic acid. It tells you how to open it. Open up. And you got to make sure that you peel from that arrow, otherwise it's going to make a hot mess. So that's what it looks like, and then you peel it back, and you want to make sure you pull all of the metal off, because if you don't, you're going to have to tear that off. And that's all. Now you've got just a rubber cap. So you take the lid off, it just pops right off like a little cork, and then if you want to put one of these on, go for it. Okay, now it's got its little hat. Now I'll do the other one. Oh, please work. Oh, okay. This is what happens when you don't tear it all the way off. I just use the tweezers. Come on. Yay. Got it. Next, you're going to want to take this little stick. You're going to want to take this out of the pack, peel back the corner. There's little holes, and it pops right into the holes. The roller has 3,600 micro tips. So what the little needles on the roller do is they create pathways in the skin so that the products penetrate better. Next, you massage your face with the roller for about 5 to 10 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 5 minutes. You barely feel it. You can't even feel the little squeeze. You can feel it more in your forehead. Okay, I've been doing this for about 7 minutes or so. I started to press down because I feel like I wasn't getting anything from it. You can see I'm a little bit red. But again, it doesn't hurt. Now I'm gonna put on my little solution I mixed up. I usually start by just doing the whole area first because it's gonna get sticky and dry. I put that on first and give it a couple minutes just to dry up a little bit, and then I'm going to do everything in zones when I start rolling it out. I'm going to put the solution on my forehead. What happens with this is when it gets wet, it starts to break down the little needles, so you're not going to feel those anymore. The roller gets sticky too. It's almost like, it's not as sticky as tape, but it's sticky. I don't know how long I'm supposed to do this. Try to go every direction I can. And of course, when we age, our neck starts slipping. My neck has tightened up just a little. It's never going to be perfect. I don't have the bone structure, but it's better. Once you're done, you can put a mask on if you want to sit for about 20 minutes and let it soak in. Throw away or recycle your bottles. Make sure you wash out your cup. Also disinfect it with some alcohol. Same with your brush. And this needs to be thrown away. I'm going to mask up with the Cure Next Rejuvenating Mask. If you have any questions about this Aruna kit, please let me know. I'm going to do this weekly for 5 weeks. This is week 1. It really does improve my skin. Otherwise, I would not have bought it again. Cannot wait to see the improvement, especially with the skincare products I've been using. Thanks for watching.